So if you're missing like back teeth in the back,
Yeah.
you say you should probably fill those in with dental implants. Why?
Because
Like if it's only one in the back or one on each side.
Because if you don't have enough teeth to chew with in the back of your mouth, you'll be chewing with your front teeth. Your front teeth are not meant to chew, they're meant to bite into things. So you're losing two teeth one at a time. So you lose one tooth, then you lose another, and all of a sudden, 5, 10, 15 years later, you're looking at dentures. We don't want dentures. So it makes a lot of sense to replace those missing back teeth, particularly first molars, where that's where it all starts, with implants, so you don't overburden the rest of your teeth. It's a fairly routine procedure. Pain is nothing to complain about, and we talked about bridges before. Who wants a bridge? Why jeopardize other teeth that are healthy in order to replace one that's missing? Why go without missing teeth?
So a bridge, if you put a bridge for the back teeth, so you're having to clamp, I guess, carve down adjacent teeth to make it stick. Whereas an implant, you just put it back in.
That's right.
But is that a painful process to do just one implant? Seems like it would be painful.
Okay. No, it's not painful at all. And the reason is bone has no nerve endings. So we can put a little implant in, it heals, and there's really no issue with pain. Now, if you would then file, as an alternative, file down adjacent teeth to put a bridge in, now you have two teeth that are sensitive, and they might be sensitive for a long time. Some of those teeth, you need root canals down the road. Some of those teeth, experience in my own mouth, you will lose because of trauma done when the bridge was put in.
So always go for an implant over a bridge.
I think so, yeah.
And you used to have a bridge at the front that broke, and now you have an implant.
I have two implants because I was missing one tooth before, and then the bridge failed, it caused me to lose one more tooth. So what's the point of doing another bridge? Because I will lose more teeth that way. So what I chose to do is I had two implants put in, and it's all good now.